बरा मांडवी नदयेत गोंयच्या साबार नुस्तेकारांनी बोटीची वाहतूक थांबोवन आंदोलन केले। पुराय मांडवी नदयेत ट्रॉलर आनी ल्हान होडी घालून नुस्तेकारांनी मांडवी नदयेंतली बोटीची वाहतूक आडयल्ली। पुराय गोंयच्या नुस्तेकारांनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट हांगसर आंदोलनाक सुरवात केल्ली। ह्या वेळार कडक पुलीस बंदोबस्त आशिल्ले। LED लायटीचो वापर यांत्रिक बोटी नुस्तेमारी खातीर केल्ल्यान पारंपरीक पद्दतीन नुस्तेमारी करपी गोंयच्या रापणकारांक नुस्त्याचो धंदो करपाक मेळना। LED लायटी खातीर गोंयच्या रापणकारांक नुस्तें मेळना। नुस्तेमारी खात्यान तशेंच सरकारान नुस्तेकारांच्या ह्या प्रश्नाचेर गंभीरपणान विचार करपाची गरज आसा अशी मागणी गोंयच्या रापणकारांनी केल्या। नुस्तेमारी खात्यान तशेंच सरकारान 7 दिसां भितर ह्या प्रश्नाचेर तोडगो काडटलो म्हण उतर दिवनय अजून कांय कारवाय केल्ली ना म्हण हे आंदोलन नुस्तेकारांनी तीव्र केलां। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।
Fisheries Department have issued a notification stating that LED lights, China engine which are fitted above 300 horsepower and bull trolling will be banned from tomorrow onwards. Now we have requested the Fisheries Minister that unless and until you impound these destructive gears, until then we will stay here. If required, even will continue for another 2-3 days. But the Fisheries Department Minister has said that by tomorrow he is going to implement the order and remove all the lights. We are not going. We are going to be here only until then. Until they implement their order. Issued this order on 15th also once, but unfortunately nothing has been done. So now she said is got in a new notification. Very good. We are welcoming it. But we are not going to move unless and until you catch these boats.
No,
whatever the demands, I am met with the demands.
Okay.
So I don't think they should have any problem.
They are happy with your
Yeah,
decision.
I shook hands with them when I came.